Minecraft, a block game made up of toxic servers, annoying hackers, and overly competitive 12-year-olds. Among Us, the game where you develop major trust issues trying to find the imposter. Fall Guys, the game that was outclassed and replaced by Among Us. Fortnite, the game known for its cringy dance moves and 8-year-old fanbase. PUBG, the original slightly less cringy version of Fortnite. League of Legends, the game where you spend hours grinding pointless ranks at the cost of your grades, sleep, and social life. Pokémon, you basically trap animals in balls and force them to beat each other up. Dark Souls, a game designed for masochistic people who enjoy constantly losing to overpowered bosses. Raid Shadow Legends, a game so awful they had to pay random YouTubers just to say good things about it. Wii Sports, a game created solely to make unathletic people feel better about themselves. Grand Theft Auto, a game designed for future criminals who want to practice robbing banks and hijacking cars. Legend of Zelda, a stereotypical game where you fight random monsters to save a blonde princess. New Super Mario, another stereotypical game where you fight random monsters to save a blonde princess. Club Penguin, probably the only Disney game that wasn't completely awful. Call of Duty, the game the quiet kid plays when he gets home from school. Roblox, a defective version of Minecraft played by a mix of 10-year-olds, online daters, and creepy adults. Animal Crossing, a game that manipulates you into doing pointless chores and punishes you if you don't play daily. Tetris, a mind-numbing game where you basically just stack blocks on top of each other. Brain Age, a mommy-approved game where you get to learn things and still play on your DS. And lastly, movie games, trashy games people buy only because they like the movie it was based on.